Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Safari on the iPhone and go directly to the page you want to save. Tap the address bar to confirm the URL or wait until the content is fully loaded so the bookmark captures the right page. Make sure you're signed in if the page needs authentication. This ensures the bookmark will open to the same view later. Once done, notice the share icon at the bottom. That's the control you'll use to create the bookmark. You tap the Share button, the square with an arrow, and scan the options until you find Add Bookmark, select it. You can now edit the title so it's short and recognizable, and change the location from Favorites to another folder by tapping Location. If you want a new folder, pick Edit in the bookmark screen later, but for now choose where to save and then tap Save. That action commits the bookmark to your bookmarks list. You finish by managing the bookmark in the Bookmarks view. Tap the book icon, find your entry, and use Edit to move or rename it for clarity. Organize frequently visited sites into folders so you can reach them quickly. Create a new folder if needed and drag bookmarks into place. If the bookmark opens the wrong page, reload the original page, verify the URL, then recreate the bookmark.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.